In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website using the Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or someone who's just starting out, this powerful tool is designed to simplify the process for everyone. Let's dive in and get started on building your website. First, we'll begin by signing up and choosing the Hostinger Website Builder. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the H panel. Once you're there, you're going to head over to the Websites section and select Add Website. You'll be prompted to choose between several options. Make sure to select Hostinger Website Builder, not WordPress, to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire process. Next, it's time to pick how you want your website to look. You have two main options here. Hostinger offers an AI-powered site generator, which is great if you want a custom touch without much hassle. Simply click on Start Creating, answer some questions about the purpose of your website, and watch as AI generates a tailor-made site for you. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can select from over 150 designer-made templates. These templates are organized by industry, allowing you to find one that aligns perfectly with your needs. Once you've got your template or AI-created design ready, it's time to move on to customization using the drag-and-drop editor. When your initial design is loaded, you'll notice a toolbar on the left. This is your command center. From here, you can add elements like text, images, buttons, forms, and maps. The Pages and Navigation section lets you add, rename, reorder pages, and even create drop-downs. Adjust the global site styles by changing fonts, colors, and layout. If you plan to include a blog or an online store, you'll find helpful panels for them as well. Plus, don't miss out on using AI tools such as the AI Logo Maker, Writer, and Blog Generator to enhance your site even further. At the top, you'll find options to preview how your site looks on mobile and desktop, undo and redo actions, save your work, view version history, and ultimately, publish or go live. To truly make your website stand out, use the AI tools available to enhance your site. The AI Writer is there to help you generate high-quality copy for your pages or blog posts. An AI image generator is also available to create stunning graphics. And let's not forget the SEO Assistant, which helps you write effective meta titles and descriptions, provide alt text for images, and generate a sitemap. Finally, let's set up your site settings and integrations. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to access these options. Under General, you can customize features like your favicon, site preview image, and cookie banner, and choose between www and HTTPS for your URL. The Integrations section enables you to add tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, Google Tag Manager, and even WhatsApp to your site for better tracking and communication. In the Media Library, you can manage your images and files, while the SEO and Analytics panels help you stay on top of metadata and site performance. And there you have it, a fully functioning website built with the Hostinger Website Builder. It's incredible how much you can achieve with just a few clicks. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building.